What if I told you that one of the most advanced systems on Earth is controlled by something smaller than a fingernail? A tiny creature flying through fields that most people ignore every day. But behind its wings, there is science, intelligence, and precision. Beyond imagination, this is the world of bees. A bee leaves its hive. The world around it looks simple, but its reality is different. Because this tiny insect does not move randomly. It follows the sun. The sun is not just light for it. It is a navigation system, a natural compass. The bee constantly adjusts its direction based on sunlight angles. Even when clouds hide the sky, it does not get lost because it can detect patterns in light that humans cannot see. Invisible directions written across the sky. But that is not all. As it flies across long distances, it also interacts with forces we cannot feel. Scientists believe bees can sense Earth's magnetic field, invisible lines surrounding the planet, guiding their movement like a map. No GPS, no technology, no satellites, yet perfect navigation. After traveling, the bee finally reaches a flower. But this is not just a flower. This is survival. The bee lands gently and begins collecting nectar. Tiny drops of energy hidden inside petals. At the same time, a pollen sticks to its body. A silent transfer begins. From flower to flower, life is being connected. This process is called pollination. Without it, plants cannot reproduce. No fruits, no crops, no food chain. Everything slowly begins to collapse. But the bee continues its work. Unaware of its importance, it collects, moves, and returns home. Inside the hive, thousands of bees are already active. But there is no chaos. Everything is organized. Because bees do not communicate with words. They communicate with movement. The bee begins to dance. This is the waggle dance. Every movement has meaning. The angle shows direction. The duration shows distance. In just seconds, a complete map is shared with the colony. Imagine that. A brain smaller than a grain of rice, sending structured information. Without any language, pure biological communication. Inside the hive, another masterpiece exists. Hexagons, perfect shapes, repeating endlessly. This is not random design. Hexagons store maximum honey using minimum material. No waste, no gaps, no inefficiency. Even human engineers study this structure. But bees perfected it millions of years ago. Inside these cells, nectar slowly transforms into honey. Through natural chemistry, sugars break down, water reduces, and a stable energy source is formed. Honey, a substance that can last for years, without spoiling, a natural storage system, created by life itself. And then comes something even more unbelievable: flight. Scientifically, bees should not be able to fly, but they do. Their wings move over 200 times per second, creating tiny air vortices, invisible whirlwinds of air, generating lift. Subscribe for more videos. Thank you.